Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. I am Professor Vernon, and today we will discuss product comparison white papers within the framework of the inbound methodology. In this video, we will explore the importance of product comparison white papers and how they can help businesses attract and engage their target audience effectively. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. So, let's dive in. The inbound methodology is a powerful strategy that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting customers through valuable content. One essential element of this methodology is the product comparison white paper. It provides detailed information and analysis to help potential buyers make informed decisions. Let's see how it works. A product comparison white paper is a comprehensive document that compares different products or services in a specific industry. It goes beyond simple features and specifications to offer an in-depth analysis of each option, highlighting the pros and cons, performance metrics, and real-world use cases. A well-crafted white paper consists of several key sections. First, it includes an introduction that captures the reader's attention and provides an overview of the comparison. Next, it dives into the detailed analysis of each product, showcasing their unique features, benefits, and limitations. This section often includes charts, graphs, and data to support the findings. The data-driven approach of a product comparison white paper allows potential customers to evaluate options objectively. It helps them understand which product aligns best with their specific needs and requirements. This level of transparency builds trust and credibility for your brand. Additionally, a product comparison white paper serves as a valuable lead generation tool. By offering it as a downloadable resource, businesses can collect contact information from interested readers, allowing for further engagement and nurturing. To effectively utilize product comparison white papers within the inbound methodology, consider the following best practices. First, ensure that your white paper is visually appealing, well-structured, and easy to navigate. Use clear language, avoiding excessive jargon, to make it accessible to a wide audience. Next, promote your white paper through various channels, such as your website, blog, social media, and email campaigns. By reaching the right audience with valuable content, you can attract qualified leads who are genuinely interested in your product or service. Remember, the inbound methodology emphasizes providing value and building relationships. A product comparison white paper helps you achieve both by offering valuable insights and positioning your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. In conclusion, product comparison white papers are an effective tool within the inbound methodology. They enable businesses to educate, engage, and convert prospects into loyal customers. By leveraging the power of white papers, you can enhance your inbound marketing efforts and drive business growth. Thanks for watching our video presentation on product comparison white papers within the inbound methodology. I am Professor Vernon with Optimark Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you have any questions or need assistance in creating impactful white papers for your business, please reach out to us at optimarkconsulting.com.